Connecting the neutral, white, wires and the background wires on the same terminal screw in a load center can indeed cause resistance issues. While the neutral and ground wires are typically bonded together at the main electrical panel, it is important to maintain a low resistance path between them throughout the electrical system. Firstly, having the neutral and ground wires on the same terminal screw introduces an additional point of resistance. This resistance can increase the impedance of the neutral path, which can lead to voltage drop and reduced electrical efficiency. Secondly, excessive resistance in the neutral path can cause voltage fluctuations and harmonics, which can interfere with sensitive electronic equipment. This can lead to premature failure of appliances and other electrical devices. Thirdly, if the neutral and ground wires are connected together on the same terminal screw, it can create a ground loop. This occurs when there is an alternative path for current to flow between the neutral and ground wires, creating a potential for electrical shocks or fires. To avoid these issues, it is recommended to keep the neutral and ground wires separate and connected to their respective bus bars. This ensures a low resistance path for both the neutral and ground currents, maintaining electrical safety and efficiency. In your specific scenario, where the earth ground has a resistance of 25 ohms, connecting the neutral and ground wires on the same terminal screw could exacerbate the resistance issue, leading to significant voltage drop and potential power quality problems. Therefore, it is always advisable to follow proper electrical wiring practices and keep the neutral and ground wires separate, even if they are bonded together at the main electrical panel.